Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. Today I am bragging again. I have reached 15,000 subscribers on my channel, and I'm having to count stitches on this, so I better I can't count stitches and talk at the same time, and I'm also having a cup of tea. I think I hit 15,000 a couple of days ago, but it's kept going up and down. 15,001, and then back out to 15,002, back down to 15,001, back down to 15,000. I don't know why people subscribe and then unsubscribe. They must have liked what they saw in the first place, but I think it's because people click on and they may have been on my Just Knitting channel and find this channel and think it's all knitting as well. Well, it's not just all knitting, it's all everything I do. It's called Knitting Tips and Other Stuff. So I do a lot of other things. I'm counting this 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm purling 7 and knitting 3, so I think I can manage that while I'm talking. But anyway, I'd just like to thank all my regular subscribers who subscribed, a long time ago, because I have had this channel going quite a long time actually. But I'd just like to thank everyone, all my new subscribers as well, the ones who stay with me after they subscribe, or the ones who've made it up to 15,000. So thank you very much, and I hope you keep on enjoying my channel. I will show as much as I can of whatever I can when I'm doing it. But I also like to show you, I'll put my knitting down, as you can probably see somebody sitting up there, the little set I was doing. I finished the little set, the little cardigan, little booties, little mittens. There's a little bit, this here's the size of a new baby, but the hands don't come to the bottom of the mitts because they. And a pom-pom hat. There's also a bonnet on the pattern, and so that's what the little set looks like. And you can have a look at the back of the little cardigan too. And you may see 1 or 2 pictures floating around the internet. It is a similar pattern, but it is not the same as mine. I have checked it up. It looks the same when you see this drop stitch down here and the garter in the middle. But I've checked up, and I think there is a pattern, a free pattern for the one that's floating around the internet, on one of them anyway, on Ravelry. And I've checked it up, and it is only a 2-row knitting pattern. Mine is a 4-row pattern. So anyone who thinks I've stolen that pattern, I have not. I got that stitch from another pattern. It was from a Peter Gregory, the actual stitch, not the cardigan. It was a Peter Gregory pattern, and it was a chunky pattern, and it started at 22 inches, and I've never seen it anywhere else. And I worked it out. I used the stitch, but I worked the rest of the pattern out to fit the smaller sizes, the 16. That is only a 16 and an 18, and there will be probably, I'll have to sort out some larger sizes, because with that being a baby thing with mittens and booties, you only want a couple of sizes. You only want the first 2 sizes and those sort of things. So I would probably maybe start knitting some larger sizes and do another pattern. But that pattern has been out for testing, and I think it's probably mostly complete. I've had most of the faults. Most of them have come from one lady called Sheila, and she has done the 16-inch size and told me any faults or anything that needed changing on the pattern. And another lady called Val has started the 18-inch, and she's told me a little thing on there that needed changing, so a couple of little things, so I've changed those as well. So I would probably be bringing the pattern out pretty soon. Most of the changes have to be made on the 16-inch size, probably applies to the 18-inch size as well, so there's probably not much more to sort out on it. So it'll probably be after the weekend I'll probably sort the pattern out, and I'll be able to put it up for sale then. So that's just a little bit what I've been doing, and this is another one I will be knitting on, doing the little, it's like a lacy panelled, it's like a bit of a lace panel with a bit of garter in. I probably will be doing a pattern for this because I have written my book. I have my book down beside me here where I write all my patterns in, and I have actually done 2 sizes in it. I can't remember doing those 2 sizes, but I've probably done them a long time ago and never got around to doing the pattern, which I'm sorting out now. Probably after I knit this one, this 16-inch, probably after I do this one, I would probably do an 18-inch, but maybe do a tutorial for the 18-inch. And then I will probably try and work out a 20-inch as well, so bring out the 3 sizes on that one. But I also have this one that I've been doing. This one is a very hard one to work out because of the way the pattern works, because you are knitting 3 stitches together, or purling 3 stitches together, and then the next stitch you're making 3 stitches, and it's hard to work out exactly because you end up with different number of rows, each different number of stitches after you do each of those different rows. So I've managed to work out the sleeves up to there, and I've just left it at where I'm having to start the decreasing for because it is a set-in sleeve, this one, so it takes a lot more work to work this one out, so I would probably not do a pattern with this one. I'll leave it to the experts who've already made patterns with this type of stitch. It's a very hard stitch to work out. So that would probably be only that one. I won't do a pattern for it. I will just probably knit that one to sell. But I'm doing what I can this morning before I go down my granddaughter's this afternoon. It has been raining, which my garden really needed the rain. A lot of the soil in places was like concrete. But we've had quite a lot of rain during the night, and my son had put some weed killer all around places in the garden. I hope the rain didn't wash it away before it had a chance to work. But anyway, that's the way things go in the garden. You know, you have to, yeah, you're happy when it rains, but not if you've done something to the garden where you don't want rain. So I'm going to knit what I can of this before I go down my granddaughter's. I'll probably take it down to my granddaughter's with me, because I always take my knitting down when I go there, like for something to do when we are just sitting talking. My granddaughter may be doing something to do with a crochet blanket thing. She's been doing little squares with flowers and things on, and sometimes she's sitting doing that and I'm sitting doing this, and we're sitting talking about this, that and the other. So anyway, thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you to all my new subscribers who brought me up to 15,000, and thank you for the old subscribers who still keep on coming back to me. So bye for now.